So Facebook has changed its layout again. However, this change is actually a massive advantage to business owners. Hi, I'm Shelley. I'm a business growth strategist, and I'm here to help you grow your business with easy to implement hints and tips. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. So Facebook have changed it yet again. However, and I know a lot of people don't necessarily use Facebook for their business, but if you are a business owner and you are engaging in other business groups, in Facebook groups for your business, then 9 times out of 10, your personal profile will be the first place that somebody will go to find out information about you. And now Facebook actually have made it easier because if you are, particularly if you're on a laptop, all of the contact information is actually above the fold. So people now don't have to scroll. Everything that they need is right in their eye line. Let me show you what I mean. So here we go. We come to this new Facebook layout. So we as business owners can take real advantage of this and really optimize our Facebook profile so that if anybody who is curious about working with us going forward comes and lands on our Facebook profile, there are a few main ways that we can point them where we want to go. So obviously, first of all, you can see my cover photo right there. Are you ready to start up, stack up, scale up your biz? Click here to join. Get free business tips and advice in my free Facebook group. Your cover photo is prime real estate. It is one of the biggest pictures and the biggest areas that people will see when they first land on your profile. So use it. So what I do is I have a link, I have an image promoting my latest offer and promoting my group. If I'm launching something, I will change this. And where it says click here to join, obviously it's not a click through link. It's not going to go straight to another URL. But if they click on that, it opens up the picture and all the text is there. And as you can see, I've got a description there. I've got a link there, which if people hover over, it will visit the group. I scroll down, the link again is at the bottom. Now, the next step is your bio here. So you can see straight away, this is the link to my freebie, the 5 automations you need so your biz works when you don't. Click there. That will actually open up. So that is an actual clickable URL. So what we don't want to see there is, hey, wife of one, mother of two, 3 dogs, 2 cats. Direct them to your freebie because you can grow your email list right here. They've also changed it now so that if you hover over this part, it links directly to your Facebook page, your business page, not your profile, and also your Instagram. So make sure if we go on here and edit the information, so they've changed it now, you've got the introduction, you've got your pinned details here. You can edit these. So you can change what you want at the top. So even if the rest of your profile is completely locked down because you don't want to use your personal profile for business, this will send people where you want them to go. And then finally, the last way is to have a pinned post. So on your Facebook profile, you can actually have a pinned post. So if people scroll down, you can just pin a post here. So this is for my current offer that I am promoting. Once that is done, I will click on the 3 dots. I will click unpin post. And then you can see it's just actually brought my most latest post up to the top. So the 3 areas you really should be concentrating on is that cover image, this area here, your intro, as Facebook now calls it, which is your bio with a clickable link and a link to your business page and your Instagram. And then, of course, down here, your personal details, you still can have, if we edit it here, links to your website. You can add up to 10 links. So make sure that you are utilizing that. So again, yes, Facebook have changed it. However, this is really playing into the massive advantage for business owners right now. Look at all of this information that you can put for free on your profile so that we can send people where you want them to go. I hope that helped. As you can see in that video, I do have a Facebook group. I'll pop the link in the description so that you can come over and join me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more hints and tips.